Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of a in these nice algebraic equations, but it's a quadratic equation actually. So the first thing we are going to do here is, let's say we have a solution from here. We are given a minus 1 raised to the power of 4 equals a to the power of 4. By cancelling a and a from these two sides, we have a minus 1 equals a. Then let's transfer a to this side. We have a minus a, and let's take 1 to the other side, equals 1. We know a minus a equals 0, and 0 here is not equals to 1. That is, we cannot apply this step, so we therefore reject this. And here is how we can solve this problem using this. So suppose we have a minus 1 raised to the power of 4. By transferring a to the power of 4 here, we have minus a to the power of 4 equals 0. So here we are going to rewrite this thing as a minus 1 raised to the power of 4. We can write this as 2 multiplied by 2 minus a raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 equals 0. So this follows the rule of indices that says we can write this as a minus 1 raised to the power 2, then all raised to the power of 2 minus a raised to the power 2, then all raised to the power of 2 equals 0. And let's see, we have this identity as difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b squared. This equals a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this is an important step we have to take note. Then from here, we write this as a minus 1 raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 2, this in bracket, multiplied by a minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus a raised to the power 2 equals 0. So there are two cases from here. Let's try to let a minus 1 raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 2 equals to 0, or we have a minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus a raised to the power 2 equals 0. And let's try to deal with the first one. Let's say we expand a minus 1 to the power of 2, and this follows when we have a minus b raised to the power of 2. This equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. That is the identity we are going to apply from here. Then we write this as a squared plus 1 minus 2a. So minus a squared equals 0. So we have plus a squared minus a squared cancelled, and here is 1 minus 2a equals 0. Let's say we make 2a the subject of the formula. We have 2a equals 1. And we divide both sides by 2. So by dividing both sides by 2, we have this cancelled, as it implies that the value of a here equals 1 over 2. So here is the first solution that we get. Then we have to recall from the other part here, which is a minus 1 squared plus a squared equals 0. By trying to do that as well, we have this as case 2 as a minus 1 squared plus a squared equals 0. By expanding this, we have a squared plus 1 minus 2a plus a squared equals 0. So here is a squared plus a squared. We have it as 2a squared minus 2a plus 1 equals 0. So we consider this as a quadratic equations, as we have this as a square here. It makes it to be an equations which is quadratic. And let's try to provide solution to this. Suppose we divide both sides by 2. By dividing throughout by 2, this cancelled, then we have a squared minus a plus 1 over 2 equals 0. So we have this minus a, which is having the coefficient of 1, or let's say minus 1 rather. Let's divide that 1 by 2 and square it. So we have 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2, which this is 1 divided by 4. Then we are going to add and subtract 1 over 4 from here. And by doing that, here is the result. So let's try to add it. By adding it, we have this as a squared minus a plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 equals 0. So getting this, let's combine this together. 1, 2, and 3, let's combine them together. We have this as a minus 1 over 2 squared. Then minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. This gives us plus 1 over 4. And this equals 0. So this is just like basic lowest common multiple method. And then from here, we transfer 1 over 4 to other side. Here we have a minus 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 equals minus 1 divided by 4. And let's take the square root of both sides. So by squaring root both sides, we have 1 over 2. We put this in square root or squared equals plus or minus square root of minus 1 over 4. Then from here, this cancel this. We have a minus 1 over 2 equals plus or minus. We have to separate this as square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. So this is basic rule of sort. As we have square root of minus 1 and this gives us I. Then we transfer 1 over 2 to other side. We have a equals 1 over 2 plus or minus. Here is I. And square root of 1 equals to 1. 1 times I is I. Divided by square root of 4, that is 2. So therefore, we have two values for a here. A equals 1 over 2 plus I divided by 2. Or we have 1 over 2 minus I divided by 2. So we got 3 solutions to this problem. As we have the first one, which is a equals 1 divided by 2. And we also have a equals 1 over 2 plus I over 2, common 1 over 2 minus I over 2. So this is how to solve this. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching. If you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.